Hi my dears, welcome to Wisdomer online classes. So here today class discussion about the Pythagoras property. Pythagoras, a Greek philosopher of 6th century BC, is said to be have found a very important and useful property of the right angled triangle. This is a right angled triangle. The sides have some special names in this right angled triangle. The side opposite to the right angle is called as the hypotenuse. The other two sides are known as the legs of the right angled triangle. In this is the right angle triangle. Here he is the Pythagoras of 6th century and his name is Pythagoras. He has given some ideas regarding his theorem. What is actually of this theorem is, that is a Pythagoras theorem. He says that a right angled triangle here, this is a right angled triangle with the side AC is 5 centimeter and AB is 3 centimeter and BC is 4 centimeter. So draw a right angled triangle probably on a square sheet. Construct squares on its sides. Compute the area of these squares and verify the theorem practically. Yes, if you have a right angled triangle, the Pythagoras property holds. If the Pythagoras property holds for some triangle, will the triangle be right angled? Yes. What will be the area of each squares? Find the area of each square, as the formula for area of the square is side into side. Yes, that is side square. Now, what is area of this? That is the A square. Here, the squares, here find the area of the square AB into AB square, that is 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter squares. This is area of one square, and same as like only find the area of other two squares. What you have set the squares around the right angled triangle. So how many of square sheets are there? There are 9. So 9 centimeter square. This is also one way, or you can use by using the formulas also find the area of the square also. So square, as we already idea about the square, that is each of all the sides are equal. So 4 centimeter, 4 into 4 is 16 centimeter square, and area of another one square, that is 5. One side is 5, 5 into 5 is 25 centimeter square. The first one is you have to find all the area of the squares. What you have construct the squares on of its sides. Yes, 9 centimeter square plus 6 centimeter square is equals to 25 centimeter square. See here, AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. What you can get the idea of this, in the right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of squares on the legs. Square of the hypotenuse, here the AC is the hypotenuse, AC square is equals to the sum of the squares on the legs. This is called as a Pythagoras theorem. By the Pythagoras property, you can just find out the other sides of the right angle triangle. That is only the right angle triangle here, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. The square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of squares of the remaining sides. This is about the Pythagoras property. By using this, you can find the many of the problems here. Rahul travels 15 steps east from his position and travel the distance of 8 steps towards the north. If the distance of all the steps are equal, and 1 unit is equals to 1 step, and find out how many of steps is away from is initial position. This is a problem, so you have to find the answer for the given problem. Yes, so the directions are here: east, west, north and south. There are the 4 direction. Rahul travels 15 steps east from his position. Yes, now you will get the ideas. How many of the steps? 15 steps east from his position, and travel the distance each steps towards the north. So now he travels 8 steps. 1 unit you can take as a 1 steps. Okay, 8 steps. Take 8 steps from the B. Yes. Now you can move with that. Next is, now find out how many steps is away from his initial point to the final point. Initial point is A, final point is C. So AC, now in the right angle triangle, AC is a hypotenuse. Yes. Now what is the formula? We know that the square on the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares on the leg. Yes. Now Pythagoras property, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Yes, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now the square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of squares of the remaining sides. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Yes, AB is 15 square and BC is 8 square, and now 15 square is 225 and 8 square means 8 into 8 is 64. Now 225 plus 64. What is the answer is 289. What is the square of 289? Now AC square is equals to 289. AC is equals to square of the 289. Square of the 289 is a nothing but, yes, find it. 10 into 10 is 100. If you take the 20 into 20 is 400. Yes, it is between 100 and 400. So which number? You just go it. So take the exact number to find the value. If you take the 15 square, 15 into 15, 225. Yet it is more than 15. If you take the 16, 16 into 16, it is also less than. 17 into 17 is 289. What is the value of AC is? AC square is equals to 70 square. AC is equals to 17 step. So his 17 steps is away from his initial position. Yes, exactly. So another one example, Dinesh has to draw a right angle triangle. Can you tell which of the following measurement he should take so he is able to draw a right angle triangle? He has to draw a right angle triangle. As we know that the right angle triangle condition by the Pythagoras property, measure of hypotenuse. Here you have to measure which is the hypotenuse. As by the Pythagoras theorem, if you take the any of the legs, those square should be equals to the square of the hypotenuse. If you take the 9 centimeters as from the first 9 into in a right angle triangle, the square of the sum squares of the hypotenuse remaining sides. So which is the exact one? You have to find it. Square of the hypotenuse, 9 square is equals to 9 into 9 is 81. Next, if you take the sum of squares of the sides, if you take 6 and 8, 6 6 are 36, 8 8 are 64, 64 plus 36 is 100 centimeter square. Now if you the square of hypotenuse is not equals to the sum of square of the remaining sides for the first problem. So we cannot be form the right angle triangle by using those centimeter of the length. Now you can take the almost all, while you are drawing the right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is always the greater of the length to the remaining sides. So 13 square is equals to 13 into 13, 164. Next, take the sum of squares of the other sides also. The 12 centimeters, then 5 centimeter, 12 into 12 is 144 and 5 into 5 is 25. 144 plus 25 is equals to the 169 centimeter square. Exactly. Now the square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of the remaining side, which is the exact length of to write the right angle, to draw the right angle triangle. That is this is only. You can try it the another one by the same. Here consider 24 as a hypotenuse and 7 and 5 is the other sides. Okay. This is all about the Pythagoras property. Thank you.